In this video, we will Washington Car Seat Laws 2022, Safety Rules and Restraints. So let's start now. Despite the strict Washington car seat laws, there has been reported a car accident on the roads of Washington state after every 4 minutes back in 0217. The reasons are very common, such as using improper seatbelt use, incorrectly installed car seats, and not following the Washington car seat laws. Washington Car Seat Laws 2022 to keep your child safe while on road. As mentioned in the RCW 46.37.501, every child less than 16 will wear a safety seatbelt or properly restrained in the motor vehicle, neighborhood electric vehicle, or other electric vehicles, operating at medium speed. Washington car seat laws are different for children of different ages, as the car seats also vary with age, as detailed below. Related types of car seats by age. 1. Washington car seat laws for rear-facing child, below 2 years. Car seat laws Washington state for a rear-facing child are the same as described by NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and DOP, American Academy of Pediatrics, i.e. newborn babies will ride rear-facing car seats and will be restrained by rear-facing restraint system until they have outgrown the age, 2+ years, weight, 30 pounds, and height, 35 inches. Limit for that car seat. Rear-facing car seats are the safest option for infants and even toddlers too, because their body has not been developed fully and they need to be protected from any kind of injury to their most fragile body parts such as the head and neck. Rear-facing versus forward-facing statistics showed that these body parts can only be protected in rear-facing, as the solid back of the car seat will shield their body from crash forces and will keep them safe from getting injured, proved in 96%. 2. Washington car seat laws for forward-facing child, 2 to 4 years. Washington state car seat laws for forward-facing kids states that every child riding in forward-facing car seats will be harnessed with 5-point harness system until they have crossed the age, 4+, weight, 60+ pounds, and height, 57+ inches. Limit for that car seat. Infant car seat height limit for rear-facing car seats can be extended for toddlers depending upon the car seat brand you have. Extended rear-facing is considered better for toddlers until they are almost 4 years of age. P.S. They would ask for forward-facing, however, for their safety, it is better to ride rear-facing for as long as 4 years, and to keep them entertained. You can't take ideas from the article What to Do When Baby Cries While Driving? 3. Washington Booster Seat Law 2022 defined by the Washington State Booster Seat Law, a child older than 4 years and 57 inches in height will be allowed to ride in booster car seats. Booster car seats height limit can vary ending upon its model, brand, and style, i.e. high back booster seat, 35+ backless booster car seat, 59+ booster seat requirements. WA